Hello viewer, welcome to Numerical Hub. In this video, I will be showing you how to make an alphabet the subject of the formula. It will be done in step by step, so watch till the end of the video so that you don't miss a step. So we are told that make y the subject of the formula in p is equals to x y squared all over x squared minus y squared. So the goal is to make y the subject of the formula. First thing that you are supposed to do, if you are represented with an equation such as this, x y squared all over x squared minus y squared, we are going to square both sides of the equation so that we can do away with the square root sign. So this one will result into p squared is equals to x y squared all over x squared minus y squared. The second step is that we are going to do away with the denominator. Here the denominator is x squared minus y squared. So we are going to multiply both equations by x squared minus y squared. This one also we are going to multiply by x squared minus y squared. So x squared and y squared will cancel. We will remain with p squared into x squared minus y squared is equals to x y squared. We are going to break the bracket on the left. P squared x squared, that one I have multiplied p squared by x squared, minus p squared y squared, I have multiplied p squared by y squared, is equals to x y squared. We are going to take the values obtaining y and put them on one side. So like here we have p squared y squared and x y squared. So we are going to take this p squared y squared to the other side of the equation. So we are going to remain on the left hand side, we are going to remain with the p squared x squared is equals to x y squared plus p squared y squared. If you look at the right hand side of the equation, x y squared plus p squared y squared, you can see that y is a common factor which we can factorize outside. So we are going to factorize y squared outside into x plus p squared. This one is equals to p squared x squared. Since we want y squared, so we will divide both sides by x all over x plus p squared, x plus p squared, x plus p squared. So these ones will cancel. We will remain with y squared. So y squared is equals to p squared x squared all over x plus p squared. Since we want the value for y, not y squared, we will take the square root of both sides and we will remain with y to be the root of the square root of p squared x squared all over x plus p squared. That is it. If you find the video helping, please consider liking it and sharing it with your friends. See you in the next one. Thank you.